Hi everyone, hope you all are doing well. So today I took a trade on NAS and Q futures is before the market opened. So basically I entered a long position on that trend in state of delivery, keeping in mind that I went in long before we got that trend in the state of delivery. Now, how do I know we're gonna have that CISD? Because if you look to the left, right. So I was having some problem with the internet connection. So yeah, what I was saying is that if you look to the left, before after 8:30, we made a huge wick down, took out these relative equal lows, and we had a breaker. We had a breaker that week, tapped into that breaker at I think um, around 8 a.m. All right, then we took out those sell side liquidities with that wick after 8:30. Then we broke the recent high at 8:30 with speed, and you could see there was a huge travel again. Now that doesn't confirm that we're gonna go long from there. I wanted to see that 8:45 low to be taken. Now why I wanted to see that low to be taken out? Reason that we have already swept those equal lows around 8:45. Now I wanted to see price create a internal low before shooting up. All right. So if anyone wants to go long, where are they supposed to go? Um, go long in the more fragment. So anyone who's willing to go long, where they're supposed to take those long position below some recent swing lows or uh, maybe swing highs if you're looking for short. So with that narrative in mind, I was looking for that low to be taken, and you could see price took out that, and after that we are heading to the market open, and I had that narrative in mind that we're probably gonna sweep those highs before 9:30 open. All right, you could see I have those limit orders at 25 124.33. um, I had a limit order to take some positions there, and with that narrative in mind I went long on I think 905 candle. First position was there. Then I went in for in that fair value gap. Now, if you look to the left, what do you see? There is a fair value gap, the upper one. All right, the upper one after 745. That swing high right there at 745. There is a um, fair value gap. If you extend that to the right, you will see that 905 candles, that swing low right there, was respecting that fair value gap as well. Now we use that fair value gap now to take out these lows after 8:30. That's why I was looking at that fair value gap as well, and I saw price was respecting that. And yeah, so I went. I added some more position there as well, and then I let it run, and you could see price is gradually was going up there to sweep that first swing high at 25 124.32. And yeah, and those of you like gonna complain that why don't you have any annotations or even like any drawings on your chart. So basically I don't like to put those things on my chart. Now I have a strategy that I use for trading where I do not need to use these fair value gaps or order blocks. I don't use any order blocks. I'm being honest with y'all. I really don't use any order blocks. Only thing I use, you could say highs and lows, specific highs and lows. That is my strategy. Then I use fair value gaps to see if price is going to continue to my direction or not. Now I'm not going to say what kind of fair value gap or. And now you could see my first order got hit. Now I'm watching price, trying to see if price can take out those. highs before 9:30, and yeah, I was waiting for that. So we could see prices now showing some strength, and I think around this time there was some spike down. There was some spike down to get some liquidity, but the price failed to do that. I think the nine falling lows who were price was trying to take out that, but failed to take out that low. But yeah, so you'll see. Yeah, there it goes. There it goes. And by the way, Chad, I think might not do the signal service because I'm lucky trying to shift to the futures market right now. And if I do that, I'll probably just start doing live trading on Discord. And if I do that, you'll probably know, but I'll wait for 2026 to do that. Right now, I think I can't close the signal service uh, because of some reason. I think uh, rather than having a signal service, I should have a live trading community where I'll trade with them. That way, they'll see how I trade, how my strategy works. They will learn with me as well. And on signal service, it's like a burden to me because I have to be onshore all the time. Because some people are going to be trading forex pairs, some people are going to be trading futures. So I can't take that shit right now. Right? So that's why I don't know, man. I don't know. I'll let you guys know what I'm gonna do. But if you guys willing to do want me to create a live Discord server where we can I'm gonna trade live with y'all, comment down and yeah. And yeah, as you can see, price tapping to the fair value event trying to push down, but that is a trap. The we're so close to the buy side, and probably those who trade ICT, I mean, those who doesn't know how this thing works, they'll probably gonna go long on that fair value gap, in that fair value gap, and you will see that big spike down, and they're out of the game. All right, and now price tap into the small fair value. There is a small fair value gap that big down. There is a small fair value gap down there at 2510, I guess. There it is. There is a fair value gap chat. Notice how price is like making those quick. That is supporting our narrative that we're gonna continue going up. And see, I'm not moving my stop loss at all. I just moved my stop loss from the 830 uh, low to the upper swing low. All right. There it goes. Price tap into that order block, and you can see the reaction off of that. And now people are gonna try to short from that fair thinking price probably gonna go lower now. All right, because we have taken out that 5 minute swing high, and they're gonna think this fair value is gonna hold price. But that's why I tell you all that you gotta know for what highs or lows price hunting or price gonna go. If you know that, you're not gonna use all the fair value, so you're not gonna use all the uh, order blocks, whatever that is. The main thing is that ICT mentioned that so many times. You gotta know where market is gonna go. If you know that, you can have a bigger stop loss, still get a win. All right. So there price goes, the market is open, and our first order, I mean the second order got triggered. Now I moved my stop loss below that 905 swing low. Still I'm not. Now I got into break even and see we got filled in our whole target got filled in, and yeah, there was some glitch, and Yeah, so there was a nice and clean trade, and I hope you understand something from this trade. And if you didn't, watch it again. Watch how I use those highs and lows. And I hope this video helped you. I'll see you to the onto the next one. Till then, be safe.